David, Adam Moore, Lincoln E. Yellow. Where did you see?
I saw you got chicks in this room.
Okay.
I'm just looking for 445 type stuff right now, trying to see if there's...
Control Zebra 20. It looks like that name I gave you shares an address with the suspect. We can give you that address if you if we need to send units there. What is it? 1372. That's 1372 Babbling Brook Court, and that's Mesquite, Nevada. Babbling Brook Court. And that's going to be the same as his driver's license address as well.
Okay.
Hey, do you see any reason we need to be in here at this point?
Nope, I say we back out. We need to get armor for those bags over there. That's
Yeah,
suspicious enough. Oh, you open... What's inside with the wires going in?
A vibrator.
Huh?
A vibrator.
Is it really?
And the other one is just a power cord. Power
Okay.
strip. Nothing else in there.
Okay.
Which one fucking
19.
Which was the automatic? Did you have a belt fed fucker in there?
No, no.
Do you know the status of the other two wings?
No, that's what we came to see. What else you needed?
If you could, yeah.
Start clearing them
Yeah.
out? Okay.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah, just keep the teams going.
These stairs right here and then go over to the
was real.
The wings on
Good
stage.
job.
The wings on this floor, yeah. We got our guys already clearing below, working their way up. So yeah, we can just, if you could just work those two wings, that'd be awesome.
Got it.
Yep.
Was that you that we went on 29?
You got the master suite?
That was a communication part on my bad. You know what's going to happen.
That's awesome.
Dude, it took forever to clear those two floors. I know. Going forward, back, and back. Ugh, I'm tired.
Where is it? Water or anything like that?
If there's any open rooms, it's right in the minibar.
Yeah, just use the things. They have a glass in there.
Cameras.
Yeah, you got cameras.
From
Everything's wired. That door attaches.
Yeah.
We could see this shit where we stopped our car. We come flying in because they're telling us it was in the venue.
Yeah, I flipped it over when we moved forward. There's another one facing down, but that one was facing the door itself.
Yeah, okay. All right, are you guys gonna keep flaring the flares?
Pardon?
We're clear. That's all we've done.
The rest of
The other two, yeah.
Sarge, we're good. You can clear everybody else out if we need to. Actually, let's leave. Can you give me at least two bodies to stay here?
I can show you for a minute if you want.
And we'll get some water. We'll regroup because we might have more we have to do.
You guys stay
Dog
here.
wise.
Nobody else in and out. Listen, let's go. Yes, we got multiple places we gotta go.
They just said a man with a rifle walking in the block.
Hey, where is my gear bag? Is it down here still?
They brought it up here. We have other gear bags down there. I think those are
On the other channel.
Let's hold until we get down there. We'll regroup with
This
them.
one, the green one?
Deploy.
Yeah, I didn't get my initiator. Did you grab that one? That one? Okay. I don't know what I'm thinking of.
Hey, we're gonna go down.
I'll do whatever. Where do you
Regroup
go?
and deploy.
Hold that elevator second now.
Gregor, you want to stay here?
You got a other camera underneath.
We're riding together just as well.
We got the elevators working now.
Oh, let's take the elevator because I find enough fucking stairs.
Has anybody checked the rooms to make sure
They cleared them all.
I'm on the shop. I'm on the room
Hey,
with
somebody
the
else
shots
pick up my
fired.
other initiator? The one that was
See
in the
up there?
hallway? Yeah.
What are you? You're talking about? Hold on.
My plan, yeah. No, that's fine. I'm not worried. Listen, I'm not.
This right here.
I'm killing my body cam right now.